That's awesome.
So cool.
You know that if it's 4:30 in the morning and we're talking about worm-eating warblers in a car in the dark, it's the Christmas bird count. Just say like and subscribe.
Is it even on me right now?
Yeah, just say like and subscribe. Just about daylight. Heading out to get started with our Christmas bird count. We've got one bird on the list so far, that's great horned owl. And we're hoping to beat our record of 51. We have a par system, which gives us a chance to win against the other sections. It's not really a competition, but we treat it that way anyway. And we need to get 48 to make par, and the greatest number over par is the winner for the event. So we will see if we can break 48. We've got a merlin mobbing a couple of crows. They've been having quite a bit of fun.
That's awesome.
This is our second merlin ever in our count section. It's about mid-morning. We've got 46 species. Good numbers for a lot of the birds we have so far, so that's all good. Weather is good. 13 degrees was our low this morning. So it's a
Balmy 22.
yeah. It's a cold one, but it's not bad. Sun is nice. Well, we're in one of my favorite sections of the CBC because it's got all this pine and rhododendron and stuff like that. It's off of Arnold Road.
Arnold. Oh, commentary?
No.
I think we got Santa Claus to the right here.
Well, we do. I was just wondering to see if you were going to do your, the obligatory Schwarzenegger impression.
Oh, Arnold.
10:55 in the morning, and we just passed par. So we got 49 species, 48 is par. This is the fastest we've ever got to 48.
I want to record myself driving.
Hoping we're not going to jinx ourselves, but really good total and a lot of really good birds.
Oh yeah. What is it?
Mockingbird.
Oh, sweet. On our record, baby.
Awesome.
Record 51. We are at it.
Sweet.
44 hoods.
Wow.
44 hoods. What are you up to? 54?
I don't know. I got to count again.
We are at new heights. New heights, finally.
Hoods for the hoodies.
Hoods for the hoodies.
It's That's our best day ever. I think we have 57, which, to put that in perspective, that's beating par by 9. And our previous best total on this count, after doing it for 10 years, was 51. So that's a huge jump in 1 year. I don't see a thing here.
Not a thing.
Well, we are 10 birds over par. 10 birds over par. We are 7 birds higher than our best score ever. We've chosen to loop around to where we started to see if we can just, you know, tease a few more birds out of some of the better places we were today, because we're at 58 and we really want 60 really bad. We got 58. Not 60, but 58, which is crazy.
Yeah. 10 over par is like ridiculous. That's like that's over 20%, right?
Yeah.
Over 20% more.
Yeah, 20% more.
7 higher than our best total ever.
Yeah, it's wild.
And 10 more than last year.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, that just means next year we got to get 60.
Keep raising the bar for ourselves.
Yeah.
Nothing new for us.
We win.
Good work, gentlemen.
Yep. Thank you very much.
Yep.
We're an unstoppable force and a juggernaut. We're the most handsome team in this circle. Because remember, it's not whether you win or lose, it's how you look. Everything's about appearances. It doesn't really matter who you are on the inside. It just matters how you come off looking to other people. That's all that matters.
Flash over substance.
I don't endorse this.